Another day, another English lesson. Understanding complex prepositions. In case of, and, in place of. In English, complex prepositions are groups of words that work together to show the relationship between other words in a sentence. Two common complex prepositions are, in case of, and, in place of. Let's look at what they mean and how to use them. In case of, meaning. In case of, refers to a situation that might happen and explains what should be done if that situation occurs. It's often used when discussing emergencies or plans for unexpected events. Example, in case of a fire, use the stairs, not the elevator. Here, in case of, shows that if a fire happens, people should use the stairs, not the elevator. In place of, meaning. In place of, means, instead of, or, as a substitute for something else. It is used when one thing is replaced by another. Example, he wrote a letter in place of an email. Here, in place of, shows that he wrote a letter instead of writing an email. Now, complete the sentences with, in case of, or, in place of. One. In case of a power outage, we have candles for light. Two. His parents sent a gift card in place of a present. Three. In case of rain, the event will be held indoors. Four. In case of an accident, call this number. Five. In case of any issues with the software, please contact customer support. Six. She brought fruit in place of dessert for the party because it's healthier. Seven. The instructions say to press the red button in case of an emergency. Eight. The store offered a refund in place of a replacement for the damaged shirt. Nine. While he was on vacation, he used a laptop in place of his desktop computer. I hope you found this worldwide ELT English language teaching video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.